Connection. I'm Kelly Baston. This is our new Danville location. We're so glad that you've come to check us out today. We're a Christian-owned company. We've been around for quite some time. We started out as a denim company, so we do carry a huge variety of denim. We carry brands such as Lucky, American Eagle, Aeropostale, etc. We do have other things such as a junior, Missy, plus, and men's department. We also carry seasonal shoes and accessories.
Hi there, my name is Whitney Ellis. I'm the store manager here at Verizon Wireless. We are owned by American Cellular, so we're a premium retailer. Our business has been here in Danville a little over a year, and this store has actually been open for about 2.5 months. So we used to be over by Kroger. Now we're here. We love it. It's a great location.
My name is Tom Holland. My wife, Marianne, and I own Little Caesars. We've owned it since November of 2002. Little Caesars has been in town on Main Street since 1987. We moved out here to the new Houstonville Road location to get a drive-through. Plus, there's a lot more traffic on the street. So far, business has been really great.